Hello, my fellow gear addicts. Today we're going to be doing a really fun video, and I recently acquired a Marshall 2061X head and a Mojotone cab that has Celestion Greenbacks in it, and I also acquired a Friedman Dirty Shirley, and I made a video on that last week. You guys can check that out on my channel. But I kind of got both because I liked the Friedman and I had played it before, but I had never really owned a Marshall, and I kind of wanted to A/B one to the other and actually end up probably selling the one that I liked the least. But I was surprised at my results when I compared the two, and they are very, very different amps. However, I have come to the conclusion that I like one more than the other, very much so, and if you want to figure out which one that is, stick around to the end of the video. But today we're just going to be doing a blind test of the two. So there's going to be amp A, there's going to be amp B, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be recording both of them clean, comparing them with each other, then also recording both of them cranked up, so just to the point where the tubes are saturating and it just sounds, you know, kind of big and aggressive. And then we're going to also A/B one another with pedals, and we're going to use the same exact pedals in both scenarios. That said, I'm not going to do my best to make the amps sound exactly alike. I'm going to use the same microphone to record them, of course, but I think that there are differences that should be shown to the world while we demo amps like this. And they both have unique characters that I strive to showcase. So without further ado, let's have some fun. So, time for the big reveal. Drum roll, please. Amp A is the Friedman and Amp B is the Marshall. And I will also just throw in another opinion while I'm at it. I prefer the Friedman a lot more than the Marshall, and honestly that really surprises me. I bought that Marshall expecting it to add something that the Friedman was missing, only to find out that the Friedman had what that Marshall had and much more, in my opinion. I find it to be a more versatile amp. I also find it to be built a little bit more sturdy. It seems like a more durable kind of tank. And overall, its tone just sounds better to my ears, so I'm really, really enjoying it. And I know that's a polarizing opinion. I'm sure that there's tons of Marshall lovers out there that might hear that and think that I'm wrong, but more power to you. I mean, that's why there's all these options to choose from. Now, of course, the elephant in the room is the fact that these amps are quite different. It's not a totally fair comparison. The Marshall is a 20 watt head and it's connected to Celestion Greenback speakers, and the Friedman is a 40 watt combo that has a Celestion Redback in it. So those things are going to make a huge difference in the tone. However, I thought it would still be fun to make this video, and I have just come out of it walking away with the opinion that I much prefer this Friedman over that Marshall. Please make sure to subscribe and let me know if you're more of a Marshall or a Friedman fan in the comments section below. Also, feel free to suggest any amps I should demo in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful week.